Who is helloDarwin? Well, we're your one-stop shop for everything government grant related. You're a business, you're looking to continue to grow, and you have a bunch of projects in mind, and now you want to invest. Well, the government grant landscape is far and wide. There's over 3,000 grants, and it takes so long to just find information on the different grants that you would be eligible for. What we've done here is we've developed a tool to simplify the whole process. So this here is our Funding Explorer. As a business, you're just going to be able to enter the information, and we're going to go ahead and populate and streamline everything that you would be eligible for based off of those criteria. So you're a company, you're in manufacturing, your revenue is anywhere from 5 to 10 million, you're in Ontario, and we're going to filter it down to the different kinds of goals that you have in mind. You want to develop more of an online presence, you're selling to a new market. Let's say I'm marketing a new product and I want to develop a new product. Now, what we're going to look at is every single possibility, grants that are open, closing soon, and opening soon, to give you as sheer wide of a scope in terms of what you would be eligible for. So, just like that, from the 3,000 plus grants that you would have probably taken hours to just find information on, you're able to find the information for grants that you would be eligible for. Now, let's take it a step further. We are your funding experts. We've developed a tool to refine this even further. Next, I'm going to show you another thing that we've developed. Our company is called helloDarwin. So, as our namesake, our AI is called Charles. We're here to continuously evolve with you as a business. This is our own in-house AI that you can utilize whenever you have those 3 a.m. conversations with yourself. Let's keep it very simple. I'm looking to invest $600K in my manufacturing business in Ontario. And what this is going to do, I'm not going to have to create any ridiculous finite prompts. Just based off of this information alone, it's going to scour our database with the vast years of experience that we have in grants to populate all the different kinds of grants that your business would be eligible for, taking away all the monotonous work and research that you would probably be spending on your employees to go and scour the web. Will be your external grant department and take all of that hassle away from you. So, just like that, as you can see here, it's going to populate everything regarding what you had looked for. Now, you can keep it as wide scope or as narrow as you would like. This is an AI, and as we keep developing this, it will only get smarter. So the more you utilize it, the more the system knows the different kinds of projects you're looking to work on, the different kinds of investments you're trying to make, so that you're taking out all of that manual work. And just like that, you have information for every single grant possible here in Canada at your fingertips. Now, you're a business, you want to take it a step further. All you're going to have to do is contact one of our specialists who's going to work through all of your projects and make sure that you're eligible and get the maximum funding that you deserve. So what are you waiting for? Contact us.